So there are a lot of benefits for marine protected areas. This fisheries management area, the only protected species in this area are those species that Today is the 4th birthday of our fisheries management area.
It's not the quantity, it's the flavor. It's overwhelming.
Yeah, it is. We have surgeon fish here that grow really old, so they have a much greater chance of survival.
Go! 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 How do you feel, Elizabeth? Not bad. Not bad at the end. Was it as hard as you thought it was going to be? Harder. That was harder. Are you going to eat seaweed for dinner? No. Are you ever going to eat seaweed again? Probably not. Thank you. Let's get
2, 3, green. Birthday of the Kahikane River Fisheries Management Area. So, in the first 2 years of the fisheries management area, we had some
Josh, second place winner. How do you feel?
I want more.